Hi guys, today we are here with some new things for Supermoto. So in our dyno today we have a special Supermoto Honda bike with a special slippery clutch. The noise you heard is not something wrong on the engine, but it's the good noises like Ducati bikes, like a super bike from the new slippery clutch made from Italian company, completely dry clutch. So this is not like a conventional clutch into the case for the with oil and stuff. So, but it's completely outside without oil. So it's few advantage, for sure. It's you don't have a negative force for the oil, and for sure the oil coming stay more clean. And yeah, for sure, something in performance for sure you're gonna win, and it's much more easy to using. And this is technology. It's for a long time used in road race and especially in superbike and MotoGP. It's quite a good thing, and something new to teach you and to let you know the developing we're doing. Okay, thank you for your attention. Follow us on the social network and our companies. Thank you. Ciao.